In today's fast-paced world, filled with the constant distraction and technological advancements, it is easy to lose touch with the nature. However, the importance of spending time in nature cannot be understated. Nature provides a sanctuary where we can escape from the stress of modern life and reconnect with ourselves and the world around us. In this essay video, we will explore the benefits of going for a walk in nature, focusing on the concepts of escapism and Stoicism and how they can positively impact in physical and mental and emotional well-being. Nature provides a sense of awe and wonder what can evoke a positive emotion and foster a sense of connection to something greater than ourselves. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can enhance creativity, boost mood, and increase feeling of awe, gratitude, and mindfulness. Going for a walk is a form of physical activity that allows us to exercise our bodies and minds. It provides an opportunity to connect with the physical sensations, our breath, and the rhythm of our footsteps. This embodied experience can help us to develop a sense of mindfulness and present moment awareness, which are fundamental principles of Stoic philosophy. Moreover, walking can serve as a metaphor for the journey of life itself. Stoicism teaches us to focus on the present moment and take action that we are within our control, rather than worrying about the future or dwelling on the past. Walking can remind us to stay grounded in the present, take things one step at a time. And persevere through challenges with resilience and determination.
I've come to realize it's all as it should be.